Let's go. We're ready.
Make your boogie down, President.
Look at Dylan. Look at Dylan.
Okay, there we go. There we go. Good job. The president has arrived. You want to say?
You just got served. Wait, sir.
Check
Fluffed
it.
up.
He's
You're
gonna
fluffed up.
He's gonna check it.
The president likes it to be a little fluffy. He doesn't like it on the other side. One side needs to be firmer than the other. We may begin.